Hello, SOL and SOR PE scholars. This is week 24 of school, and tomorrow, today's Sunday, so tomorrow, Monday, March 1st, is the first day that the whole entire school, the whole entire campus is going to be back in person, except for the ones that chose to be doing distance learning still. And this video is for you guys. So for this week, week 24, what Magister Cole and myself want you guys to do is make a 10-minute workout program thing for your family members to do, and then in turn you can do it with them or they can make one for you, so you guys can have a little fun with it and get creative. You can do anything from high knees and butt kicks to push-ups and sit-ups and pull-ups, whatever you guys want, burpees. You guys know all different kinds of exercises, and those older scholars, obviously, if you guys have more advanced stuff in your house like treadmill or weight bench or whatever, you guys can incorporate that. But any kind of workout you guys design for your family members for 10 minutes, and then you can, like I said, join in and do it with them, which would be lots of fun. Or if you guys want to take the chance and have them make one for you, which could be interesting. But that's what we want you guys to do for week 24. Hope you guys have fun with it, and hopefully we'll see you guys really, really soon. Have a good week, guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.